Windshield camera mounts are a great way for drivers to capture footage of their journeys on the road. There are many products available to choose windshield camera mounts, each with different characteristics, benefit, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of review, and compiled a list of the best windshield camera mounts from reputable brands. After much research, I found those products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So, without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Neewer 6-inch/15.2 cm Camera Suction Cup Mount. Neewer Suction Mount is a versatile camera mount that can hold mirrorless cameras, vlog cameras, action cameras, and smartphones. Its powerful suction cup can stick to smooth and non-porous surfaces, including glass windows, ceramic tiles, and metal boards. The articulating magic arm with two 1/4-inch ball heads allows for flexible mounting positions. It also offers multiple mounting points for various accessories, including a phone holder and an action camera adapter. With a maximum load of 11 pounds, 5 kilograms, it can withstand speeds up to 80 kilometers per hour, 50 miles per hour, in motion, and has a bearing capacity of up to 88 pounds, 40 kilograms, in horizontal orientations and 110 pounds, 50 kilograms, in vertical orientations. Made of rigid aluminum alloy and durable silicone rubber, this mount is suitable for outdoor use and easy to clean. Number 2. Asosha Action Camera Suction Cup Mount. Asosha Suction Mount is a sturdy camera mount that provides unlimited shooting possibilities. With 360-degree tilt, turn, and rotation, it offers you the best visual angle to capture your best shots. The suction cup mount is easy to install and can be attached securely to your car windows, dashboard, roof, boat, motorcycle, and other non-porous surfaces. It comes with an adapter that can move the camera in a variety of angles. Its universal camera windshield mount has a larger diameter, which provides greater suction force to keep your action camera safe. It is durable and compatible with most digital cameras, including GoPro Hero 11 109876, Acaso EK 7000, Brave 4, Dragon Touch, DJI OSMO Action, Insta360X 3X2, Vemont, Romali Capture Cam, Jatfizi, Surfola, HLS, and COAU. Its warm tips include attaching it to a clean and smooth surface for maximum holding strength and tearing up a layer of transparent film at the bottom of the suction cup before use. Number 3. Alonzi SC 024.5 inches Pump-Active Vacuum Suction Mount. The Alonzi SC 02 camera suction cup mount features a new pump-activated technology that allows for vacuum absorption with a strong grip on any smooth surface, including boat, car windscreen, and metal/ceramic surfaces. Made from high-quality aluminum alloy and premium rubber, it has a load-bearing capacity of up to 3 kilograms and can hold up to 40 kilograms vertically and 60 kilograms horizontally. It comes with a NATO rail magic arm that allows for quick installation and release, dual 360 degrees ball head for easy angle adjustment, and multiple 1/4 foot and 3/8 foot threads for easy expansion. The package includes a suction mount, ball head magic arm, NATO rail, GoPro adapter, 1/4-inch screw, hex wrench, and storage bag. Number 4. A2C Suction Cup Mount. The A2C Suction Cup Mount is designed to enhance your shooting experience with its robust features. The large vacuum suction cup ensures stability, providing a secure hold on various surfaces, which is essential for capturing smooth footage while driving. You can easily adjust the angle thanks to its dual ball head structure, allowing for versatile shooting positions. This mount is compatible with a wide range of action cameras and smartphones, making it a practical choice for different shooting needs. Additionally, its anti-shake function filters out road vibrations, resulting in steadier shots during your adventures. Number 5. Suptic Suction Cup Mount Compatible. The Suptic GoPro Suction Mount is designed for various GoPro models and other action cameras. You can easily attach your camera to smooth surfaces, such as car windshields or windows, ensuring a secure fit regardless of temperature changes. The mount features a wide range of motion with two joints that rotate 180 degrees, allowing you to capture unique angles while driving. Additionally, It comes with 4 interchangeable seats for different filming angles, giving you the flexibility to create stunning shots without extra costs.
That's all from on my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.